friends! Welcome to Fun Songs, where we sing, learn, and play every day.
A is for apple, crunchy and sweet. B is for ball that bounces to my feet. C is for cat with soft purring sounds. D is for drum, boom, boom, it pounds. E is for egg, so round and white. F is for fish that swims out of sight. Let's sing our ABC. So many fun words for you and me. G is for goat with a hairy chin. H is for hat that sits on my grin. I is for igloo where penguins play. J is for juice for a hot summer day. K is for kite that flies up high. L is for lion with a mighty cry. Stomp, stomp, we're halfway done. Learning letters is such fun. M is for moon that glows at night. N is for nest built snug and tight. O is for owl with big round eyes. P is for pie, what a sweet surprise. Q is for queen with the golden crown. R is for rain that falls right down. S is for sun that shines so bright, like a dancing light. T is for train on the track, choo-choo. U is for umbrella, blue and new. V is for violin, playing a song. W is for waves that roll along. X is for x-ray, let's pretend. Y is for yellow, my favorite friend. Z is for zebra with stripes so bold. Now our AP story is told. From A to Z we sang and played. Letters make the words we say. Clap your hands and shout with glee. ABCs are the key.
Let's sing our ABCs. Listen, sing, and repeat. From A to Z, come learn with me. The sounds are sweet, so let's begin. A is for apple. A is for ant. Can you say the A sound? A says B is for ball. B, B, B. B is for bear. B, B, B. Can you say the B sound? B says B, 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 B. C is for cat. K, K, K. C is for cake. K, K, K. Can you say the C sound?
fun songs. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in next video.